Thinking about using ServiceNow CRM in 2025, whether you are a business owner, IT manager, or just CRM curious, today I'm giving you a no fluff, honest review of what ServiceNow CRM gets right and where it might fall short. So let's get into it. What is ServiceNow CRM? First, a quick overview. ServiceNow is widely known as an IT service management platform, but its CRM capabilities have grown significantly, especially for enterprise level organizations. It's tailored more toward B2B service delivery, not your typical sales CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce. What it does well. Number one, unified experience. One of the biggest strengths of ServiceNow CRM is its ability to unify customer data, support cases, and workflows under one platform. If your business already uses ServiceNow for ITSM or HR, the CRM integration is almost seamless. Number two, automation and AI. In 2025, they have doubled down on AI driven case routing, predictive intelligence, and self service portals. It cuts down response times and really improves customer experience, especially for support heavy businesses. Number three, customization and workflows. With the Flow Designer and integration options, you can build some insanely specific workflows, perfect for complex orgs that need more than just a pipeline and contact tracker. Enterprise grade security. Since ServiceNow is built for large enterprises, compliance, data protection, and user control are top notch. You are covered on that front, no doubt. Where it falls short. It is not built for small teams. If you are a small business or a startup, this CRM may feel like using a bulldozer to hang a picture frame. It is overkill for basic needs, and the learning curve is steep. Price tag. Let's be real, it is not cheap anymore. ServiceNow CRM is an investment, and the ROI only makes sense if you are using it at scale across departments. Complex setup. Even with no code tools, getting everything set up just right often requires consultants or in house ServiceNow admins. It's powerful, but you will need the right people to manage it. Final verdict. So, is ServiceNow CRM worth it in 2025? Yes. If you are a medium to large business needing complex, integrate workflows across customer service, IT, and operations, but for small teams or those focused purely on sales pipelines, you are better off with something lighter and more sales centric. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.